Okay, so we got this Nicrew 30-watt Reef light. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Got the instruction manual, power cord, mounting bracket, got the light, we got another hardware pack. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out what we got to do to mount it. So I did see that on the reviews that you have to take out a little bit of this plastic on this 40-gallon breeder here. So let's go ahead and make sure that is what we have to do. Yep, that is what we're gonna have to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so I decided not to use the tank mount because I just don't trust it to not crack the glass, because this stuff is right about the same size as the plastic. So, and I'm just gonna mount it from the ceiling. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so what I got for this ceiling mount is got some washers, some toggle bolts, and got the eye bolts to put into the toggle bolts, and some C-clips for the chain and the eye bolts. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we have the lights up. So I just got to tidy up the wires. That's where I mounted them. I'll probably end up dropping these down a bit, but I'll just start them up high just to make sure, you know, everything's gonna like it. Drop it down slowly. But if you see through all that coralline algae, hopefully those little zinnias that shriveled into nothing like this light. So this is how you operate it. You got your whites, mode, and blues. So I think this will be that far one. Turn it off, pushing the mode button. Don't want to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and press that mode button, turn it on. Intensify or so that's how you work them. Okay, so that's how you operate them.